I know you got frustrated of being searched for how to create a Mac OS bootable USB flash drive for your Macintosh from Windows machine, and the problem still remains. Probably you are working in the right direction. You only need to follow the correct procedure. So don't worry, I will guide you throughout whole procedure from start way to the end by making bootable USB and finally installing the operating system on your Macintosh. Hello friends, I am a tech resolver and you are most welcome to my channel. Now without wasting our time, let's begin. So first of all, you need this application Transmac and you can download it from acutesystem.com. I already have downloaded and installed. In second one, you need to check the maximum OS compatibility of your MacBook Pro. So navigate to this website and enter serial number of your Mac here. Click submit. You will have the information regarding your Mac. Here we need only the information regarding Mac's operating system version. So in my case, Mac OS 10.13.6 High Sierra is my maximum operating system version. So next I will go to download this operating system for my Mac, as I already have downloaded and kept my files over here. This is OS X Mountain Lion and this is High Sierra. Right click on it, 7-zip, and click on extract files. As I already have extracted, so I am not going to extract it. Now next step, take a blank USB drive and plug it in your Windows machine. Now next, press Windows plus S, type CMD, right click on command prompt and click run as administrator. Now start typing commands like disk part. Now we are at disk part. Right list disk. Now select disk 2. I am selecting disk 2 because I am going to make it external USB drive as a bootable for Mac. Now clean it. Now convert GPT. Now create partition primary. And here we go. Close this command prompt window. Next, right click on Transmac and run it as administrator. As it is a trial version, so wait for few seconds. Click run. Now right click on your USB drive, select restore with disk image, click yes, navigate to the files. For now, I am going to make bootable of OS X Mountain Lion, so I am navigating inside it. Navigate to install OS X Mountain Lion, now contents, now shared support, and finally select install esd.bmg. Click open, now click OK. It will ask you to press yes. Now the process of making bootable is started. It is not going to take very much time. It depends totally on your system's speed. Meanwhile, do one more thing. Take an external drive. In my case, I have my portable hard drive. Copy all these files and paste it to your hard drive, as I already have pasted it inside my hard drive, so I am not going to do it again. I would let you know later while we were working with our MacBook Pro. See, it is processing. As you can see, restoring image is going to complete and restore is completed. Now close the Transmac window. Now eject the pen drive. We have bootable pen drive. One more thing, let me verify the data. Earlier I have told you to please copy the files in your external drive. So here is my portable drive and I have kept all the data which we are going to use later in MacBook Pro. So that's it. Let's move forward to our MacBook. Now I would show you how to boot from USB. Plug in USB flash drive which we have created earlier from Windows 10 desktop PC. Just plug it in your Mac. Now in your Mac, press and release power button while holding Alt Option key in your keyboard. Please keep it holding until and unless boot drive appears. These are the boot devices and this is how you can boot from bootable USB flash drive. As Mac OS X is already installed in my MacBook and now I want an upgrade to Mac OS High Sierra version 10.13.6 as according to Mac's operating system for my MacBook Pro 13-inch of late 2011. Once again, we need to create a bootable Mac OS High Sierra USB install drive. This time I am going to show you the process of making bootable flash drive from Mac OS disk utilities. But if you find earlier process of making bootable install drive easy, then you may proceed with it. Now let's get started with Mac. First of all, you need to turn it off by long pressing power button. Eject the USB. Now plug in the portable hard drive in which we have kept data earlier. Plug in one more blank USB drive and make sure it should be at least 16 GB. Now once again press and release power button while holding Alt Option key in your keyboard. Please keep it holding until and unless boot drive appears. This is our recovery drive for Mac OS Mountain Lion. Now select it and wait for a while. Very soon OS X utilities would appear. This is OS X utilities. Now select last option, that is disk utility, and click continue. So we are at disk utility of Mountain Lion. As I need to have a clean installation, so I would select the volume of Mac's internal drive. In my case it is Macintosh. Now select Erase tab just beside First Aid tabs. Then make sure to select format field as Mac OS Extended Journaled. After that give it a name. Now click on Erase. Sorry, by mistake I have selected encrypted format. Select it again properly. Finally click on Erase. Again click Erase and pop up. It starts erasing. Now volume has been erased. If you need to have more partitions, select partition, click on partition tab beside erase tab. Now select required partition layout from drop down list. Select untitled one, give it a name. Select format as Mac OS Extended Journaled. You can modify the size. In the same way, you may select untitled 2, give it a name. I am giving it a name data. Now click on option and make sure to select guide partition table. Click OK. In the same way, you can do for data to partition. As I don't need a second partition, I would click on revert. You can click apply if you have more space in your hard drive. Now it's time to create Mac OS High Sierra bootable USB install drive. Select your empty pen drive, click on Erase tab, select format, give it a name. I am giving it High Sierra. Finally click Erase. Again click Erase and pop up. Erasing started and it's completed. Now we have erased our pen drive. Now it's time to navigate through our portable hard drive. Select the drive, click Restore tab Beside Red tab, click Image to browse files. Select Portable Hard Drive. After that, click macOS High Sierra 10.13.6. Then after that, click Install macOS High Sierra, then Contents, then Share Support, and finally select base system.dmg. Note, earlier we have selected install esd.dmg while we were creating Mac OS X Mountain Lion bootable USB install drive. Select base system.dmg for High Sierra bootable. Click open. Now drag and drop the High Sierra volume of pen drive to the destination field. Again make sure base system.dmg is selected in source field. Finally click restore. Here is a pop-up for confirmation. Again click erase. Now the process has been initiated and copying blocks. It usually takes 7 to 8 minutes. And it's completed. Finally, we have successfully created Mac OS High Sierra bootable USB install drive for your Macintosh from OS X disk utilities. Now close the disk utility, click Apple logo in upper left corner and select restart. Press and hold Alt Option key in your keyboard. Please keep it holding until and unless boot drive appears. Now release key and select OS X base system. Click the arrow. Once again Mac OS utility will appear. Select reinstall Mac OS and press continue. And make sure you are connected to internet using wireless or wired network. Click continue and now agree to accept the terms and conditions. Again click agree on the pop-up. Now select Macintosh drive which we already have erased and partitioned earlier. Click next. Now it is asking to connect a power source. I am connecting. Now installing Mac OS High Sierra has been started. So it's time to keep patience while the installation is going on. It hardly takes around 30 minutes. Please follow these steps properly and I'm sure you will make it work. MacBook restarting. Once again a process has been initiated and usually it takes around 20 minutes to go. Once again MacBook restarted. Very soon we are going to set up our Mac. So finally we have welcome screen. Now select your country, click continue. It's processing. Choose a keyboard layout. Click continue. Select your Wi-Fi network so that you can access the internet. Now enter password. Click continue. It's data and privacy. Click continue. As I don't want to have any information from another Mac, I would select don't transfer any information now. Click continue. Here you can sign in with your Apple ID, but I would set it up later. Click escape in pop-up. Click agree to accept terms and conditions. Again click agree to confirm. Now create a computer account. Enter your name, then press tab. Again press tab. Enter password, then press tab. Again enter the password to verify and please choose a password which you can keep remember. Then press tab. Type a hint. It would be useful when you forget password. Click continue. We are at Express Setup. Click continue. Finally setting up your Mac. Let's check about this Mac. Congrats! Mac OS High Sierra has been successfully installed and working. So this was the correct procedure for making bootable Mac OS USB install drive for your Macintosh from Windows machine and complete installation procedure. Now I need a favor from your side. If this procedure works for you, please like, subscribe and press the bell icon. And even if it doesn't work for you, please let me know in the comment box so that I can help you out. And please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, bye bye.